I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig unboxing. This wig is a TikTok shop wig. The girlies are loving TikTok shop wigs. I'm so glad TikTok is still with us. Thank you, thank you. I told you guys that AliExpress has been driving me crazy lately. So I wanted to test out TikTok, but we're gonna talk about all of that in a little bit. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. I don't know what to think of this wig. I don't know what to make of it. I'm gonna get my phone and read off the specs. But the company this wig is from, you can't even pronounce it. It's just a bunch of letters. So I don't know what's in here really. Like, I know what should be in here. So the wig is 250% density. Let me get my phone. Okay guys, I got my phone. So I ordered a 13x6, 38-inch, 180% density wig. So I know I told you guys I was tired of frontals, but I was like, you know what? It's TikTok shop. Let me give TikTok shop a chance and we'll see what it's working with. But this is the wig, you guys. This is it. So the packaging isn't all that. Like, I was like, okay. It took about a week and a half to come, but that's also because all of this mess has been going on with TikTok, so where we've been kicked off of TikTok in America for a little while. So I don't know. I don't blame them too much. But okay, here's the wig. Very little. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay. Ooh, okay. We got a little gift. And this is 180% density. Okay. Okay, I like the lace looks somewhat thin. It's transparent, but it looks somewhat thin. Let's see. I gotta take it out and see what we're really working with here. Okay, hold on. Let me get back. Let me see. Oh, look at the baby hairs. I ain't never seen baby hairs look like that. I ain't never seen them come like that. Hold up now. That's interesting. That's a new one on me, honey. That is a new one on me. Okay, so here is the wig, you guys. Okay, here is the wig, you guys. I feel like this is a really nice thickness. It's not giving 38. I'm gonna pull out my measuring tape for show. Look at these little baby hairs. I'm like, I'm dead. I am absolutely dead. So I have my measuring tape here. Let me see what we're working with over here. Cause I'm not so sure about this inch. Let me see. So looking at the wig right here. So the knots are not bleached. This is a wig you're gonna have to pluck, but I'm really excited to pluck this wig because I've been wanting to do the Leo's like hairline, so I'm gonna do that with this wig. I think I'm gonna do like a whole video on it, so definitely stay tuned, you guys. So I'm going to measure the wig from, like, most vendors be measuring all the way from the top. Let's just go ahead and give them the benefit of the doubt and measure from the top. So holding it right here, unstretched, I'm getting 28 inches. But of course you gotta stretch it. Stretched, I'm getting like 32 inches, which is very, very far from 38 inches. That's not cool, TikTok shop. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. Y'all will be getting reviewed because one thing I love about TikTok shop does not play. They're not playing. Because even when you try to review, like when you try to buy something from a vendor that doesn't have good reviews, they're gonna be like, doesn't have good reviews. Are you sure you want this? Are you sure you want this? But yeah, this is not cool at all. Like, that's not what I wanted. That ain't it. That ain't it. That is not it, TikTok shop. I'm gonna tell them because this is so disappointing. Yeah, I'm so upset. I'm upset, you guys. I really wanted this to be nice. Like, how could they give me a wig that's 32 inches and think everything's gonna be like shits and giggles? And even like looking at this wig. Oh, okay. Looking at this wig, hold on. I was gonna fall back, you guys. My chair is missing a wheel. Looking at this wig, like if I saw this looks like 26 inches to me. It's giving more so 26. And the only reason it was measuring like 32 is because I measured from up here, like AliExpress vendors do. But that's some crap. Nah, I'm getting my money back. I promise you I'm getting my money back. Yeah, you guys. So basically, don't order from this company. I don't know. You know what? People can make an honest mistake. So let's give people the benefit of the doubt. Because you know what, maybe it was a mistake. I'm gonna message the vendor and see what they did. See if what, they made a mistake or something. But that ain't it. That ain't it at all. Yeah, that ain't it. That's not what I ordered. I will be in contact with them. But you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this wig unboxing. You know what? I just gotta be honest. Sometimes, like, when I have a wig I don't like, I don't post a video at all. But y'all are just gonna get them, so y'all know. This ain't it. This ain't it at all. But yes, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. I'm furious, to be honest. I'm really upset. I know I'm smiling, but I am upset. But okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.